407-572-4118. Hi, this is Sonia and Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. A realtor called us. She wants to sell the property. She gave us the code. And there is a bad odor in all the house because the house is empty and closed, even though the AC is running. So we're going to treat some areas. The areas that we're going to cover is the sink disposal. And we have a product for that. It's a garbage disposal cleaning and deodorizing. It's a foaming probiotic garbage disposal cleaning and refreshener. So the way we do this is we run some water, and there is some pots inside. And we're gonna just drop the pots and still running the water. So then we are going to close and we're going to fill the sink just in about less than a half. Hot water is better. Another area that we're going to treat is the dishwasher. The dishwasher looks like this. We already put some water. We are not being hired to do a deep cleaning in this house. They say that they clean the surface, even though that we're gonna extract all the garbage and the roaches, dead roaches, and then we're gonna pour some hot water, mix with citric acid. This is the citric acid that we use. We're gonna stir the citric acid with the water, and after we wipe the bottom part, we're gonna pour the product and let it sit. We already removed the garbage or the mildew or whatever. And this is our mix of citric acid and water. We're gonna let it sit so the product will break any contaminant inside the dishwasher or the sink. So we fill less than half. We open it, we let the water go down. Clean the sink. Okay, this is the first try. The second step, this is how we do it when the smell is strong in this area. Okay, it looks much better and it's gonna smell really good. Okay, we're gonna let the cleaner soak into the water. And as I mentioned before, this is called a Petco, Green Earth Garbage Disposal. It's a foaming probiotic garbage disposal cleaning and refreshener. It will not only clean but deodorize. It has a foaming action. After the sink is already done, after we already clean the bottom part, we're gonna pour our probiotic cleaner and let us sit there. Anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching.